So it's fixed. Units here. We received this package today. This package is shipped in 21 and received it in 24. And what it said in this paper is sound IC chip repair. So to test the sound IC, we're gonna go to the voice memo. Gonna start recording. And the phone, it is not responding. The app we can't record. And sometimes give the sound device cannot be found or something like that. So this is the common issues on this iPhone 7 Plus. So let's fix it together. If you look really close, you can see the motherboard a little bit bent right over there. And that's what they caused the sound IC to go bad. So let's try to fix it. Let's see if we can get it to work. the phone is still powering on. Let's go check the sound. Gonna click to record. Yeah, now it's recording. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, now it's recording. Hello, hello, hello. So microphone work, speaker work. Another thing you have to check when you fix the sound chip is the network signal. Because a lot of time the chip is come close to is under the baseband CPU, and when not like hitting the chip to remove it or to reinstall to install the new one, may make like a little jumper under the baseband and make the phone stuck at no SIM or no service searching and all that network issue. But as you see here, the network. That's all for this video. I'm gonna put the phone together and ship it back to the customer today, and see you next video.